Welcome everyone to HFN. Today's July the 16th, 2020. Going to give you all the Vechain update paired against Tether on the Binance exchange. If this is your first time watching our video, you guys appreciate our content and see how easy it is to give you all an understanding of where the market is likely to go before it actually gets there. Then make sure you guys continue to support the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, then sharing the video. Let other people know about us as well, because we want to show you and everyone else that it is possible to understand and profit from what the market trapper is laying down on these price charts. And you can really get it the easy way. It's not confusing, and it's our purpose to show you that it's really not, to get an understanding as to how to get profits out of this cryptocurrency space. So make sure you all do that. If you also want to get more information about our ability to forecast and predict price movement, definitely join us on our website, HueFinancial.com, in order to see more predictions and forecasts in the cryptocurrency space, commodities, as well as in the stock market. Now, Vechain. Last time we did our video for Vechain was back here on July the 4th. You guys can see right here of our expectations of the trap trying to increase the value of this particular product, and it has come to fruition. It has exceeded what we expected it to do. At least 11.5% could have been in your pocket, taken away from the market trapper and placed firmly back into your own accounts. Now, let's just say that you're still into the market right now in Vechain, and let's say you want to get out. What would your percentage gain look like? 52.59%. From July the 4th to July the 16th, 12 days, you'll be up 50%. Easy. All right. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. That is outdated. That is old news. We focus on the future and the likelihood of where this guy is going to try to take the value of Vechain. So now we have surpassed this restriction level. So the market is not trading at this line. So let's move it. What's the point of creating more and more lines on your chart when the market can only be priced at one particular location? So let's just move this particular line. And the market actually in Vechain found restriction at 2 cents. So now the market is not going to move higher until we see Vechain break above 2 cents. That's the next test in the market for Vechain. It tested at 2 cent level back in September 2018, so about 2 years ago. This market in Vechain hasn't even been close to trading at 2 cents. So definitely there's a lot of market participation going on, eyeing this particular level to see if the market trapper is going to be able to successfully this time break Vechain above 2 cents. I mean, the market movement has been great starting out here in June. We've seen a massive movement to the upside, only to find this particular market pumping its brakes at 2 cents. And that's why when I zoom in, you can see this volume increase as Vechain was trading around 2 cents. That lets you know that the sellers came into the market. The market transitioned over from one of exceptional moving higher in price to one of pumping the brakes. That's what's going on. Now, when you look at Vechain on a weekly chart, you guys can tell. Last week, look at all this volume that came into the market in Vechain. And then on top of that, we closed off of the highs of last week. So yeah, there's definitely some selling that occurred. I would say around 0.017 to around 2 cents. Monthly time frame, same thing. For our chart in Vechain, we're just really consolidating. All right, so relax to everyone, because you see that Vechain is down 6%. Excuse me. You can see that Vechain is down 6%. The market support is right here at 0.017. Now it might give us an early quick touch at 0.016, but can't go no lower than that in order for us to continually consolidate. We cannot see this market break below 0.016. So the market is weak, no doubt about it, but it's not that weak to the point where you would expect this currency to crash and come all the way back down like to a penny. I don't see that right now. The only thing that the market in Vechain is really doing is trading in this range. Okay, so we got 2 cents for restriction, and then we got 0.017 for support. 0.016 can also be tagged for support though. So again, I really don't see anything into the market that would substantiate this currency really making a dramatic movement to the downside. But better yet, what we're forecasting for this particular pair is consolidation. Okay. Now looking at this market in Vechain over the last couple of hours, we broke a crucial area of support there at 0.018. Now if we see this market in Vechain come back above 0.018, expect this market to really hold strength and try to break above 2 cents at a later date. So as I'm looking at the market in Vechain on a minute time frame, the market is not as volatile in the sense of where price is likely to go. So on this particular video package for Vechain paired against Tether, we're going to really forecast consolidation of trading. So what we're going to do, we're going to create a consolidational range or a trading channel so that you and everyone else can see this market in Vechain trade in a range. All right, so this is it. Expecting the market in Vechain to consolidate and trade in this trading channel that we just created, 0.02 as well as 0.017. So we're going to have the market bounce in between this area. Now looking at on the daily time frame, this is where we're going to play the forecast that into the market. So in between the support and resistance area in the market for Vechain, we're going to play some strength in the market. Now I'm not expecting a rally, I'm not expecting an explosion, I'm not expecting a pump, anything of that nature, but rather I'm just looking for this market in Vechain to trade in this trading channel. Okay, so now you guys can see right here where the market opened and closed for a numerous amount of days. This is where we'll TP this market at. Right, so that would be about 3.83%. all right, so this particular level is .0185. all right, so remember that 0.0185 is what will TP the market in Vechain for about 3.83%, but I'm extending up there towards 2 cents. I'm not really expecting the market, unless we maintain the strength of this currency, moving higher in price. Okay, let's go ahead and do this here. I'm going to let you all go. I don't want to waste too much of your time because trading should not be time consuming. Understand that. You should be able to look at the market and see precisely what the trap is trying to do, visually looking at the current market sentiment. And this is what we're delivering. So you guys got questions or comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and I will see you all on the next one. Okay.